But if when we print your visual paper, take home your gates. As you come, only you go to read your own obituary paper. With gratitude to God for a life well spent. Let's give a warm round of applause to the governor.
Shall we all rise with a round of applause? Welcome His Excellency, the Governor of Edo State.
For a fine Okowa and his very lovely wife, who is also our sister from Oriomo in Edo State. So you see, I have every reason to have been here tonight. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Delta State, this evening, I am here representing my brother governors from the zone to celebrate with you and thank God for a very successful tenure. I'm also here on behalf of the people and government of Edo State to congratulate you. I'm here with a very large contingent. Can you all stand on that table? so here, with almost 20 of us, to come and say, well done. Please be seated. There's 2 points I just need to make about our friend and brother. First, when you say someone is a unifier, that is what he truly is. While other regions are pulling apart, he has been a partner in pulling Edo and Delta together again. And that is the leadership quality that Ekweme has that most other leaders in this country are to cultivate. I don't want to talk about the achievements in terms of the physical space in Delta. I want to, tonight, thank God that you have kept the tradition. You have played your own part. You have run your own section of the race. You inherited a Delta that is PDP, and are handing on a Delta that is PDP to your successor. You've done your part, and that's all you can do, because where's Imagre? I asked you to stand by. As Frank Sinatra said, you have done it your way. That is the only way you could have. But we thank God for your life, we thank God for your wife, who has been a pillar of stability for you all these 8 years. People will have their own versions of history, but history is history, and history has recorded what you have achieved for your people in Delta State. I want to congratulate you, I want to thank God for your life, and pray that as you move to the next phase of your calling, the Lord who has seen you through and made a success of your career as governor will be there to support you. God bless you. God bless the people of Delta. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And before I go and take my seat, my brother, Governor-elect, you are coming to join the class of 2023, and I'm your senior prefect. So you are going to have to learn the lessons of the class. And I'm sure Ekweme, who taught us, will also give you some coaching before you resume classes on Monday, 29th of May. I wish you well, I congratulate you, and God bless you.
Secondary school class or governance class, yes.
My dear brother, the Governor of Edo State, Your Excellency, my dear wife, for thanks and praise to the Lord our God for giving myself and His Excellency the Deputy Governor of Delta State the opportunity to serve Deltans for a whole 8 years. It is by His grace that we came in, and by His grace we're about to exit. And as we exit, with thanks to all Deltans, I believe that we're exiting the stage a very happy people. At this time, I want to use this opportunity to thank all Deltans, our traditional rulers, our fathers of faith, all our opinion leaders across the states, the women of Delta and our youths. You played a lot of role. I truly must thank the civil service, the head of service and all civil servants in these states who made it possible for us to achieve the very things that we set out to achieve from the beginning. For those that I did wrong or hurt in the course of duty, it was not deliberate. Most likely, it was as a result of the fact that a decision had to be taken, and sometimes decisions could be very hard. But when you are in that position, you have no choice than to take certain decisions. So if I've hurt any of you, or my deputy governor has hurt any of you in the course of duty, please find a space in your heart to forgive us. And anybody who thinks he has hurt us deliberately or unknowingly, we have also forgiven you. We must learn to move together as brothers and sisters, because collectively we have a state to build. I must at this moment first appreciate my wife for giving me a very stable home. If the house was not stable, I would have been distracted. I believe that we have achieved a lot, but it is impossible to finish everything that you have in your heart. And to that extent, we definitely will have to hand over some ongoing projects to the incoming government. But I thank God for all that He had enabled us to do. But my greatest joy today is that we have a space to accommodate more of our children in tertiary education, particularly in university education. And I believe that by God's grace, that is one thing that stands tall in our hearts, the Deputy Governor and I, as we exist.
Your Excellencies, we are still take one more thing before we leave. And